Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology behind the East. Our department is Humanity and Science, course Basic Mathematics, course code 22103. Obviously myself, Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's is the last lecture concerned with our chapter, that is matrices, Unit 1, chapter number 3, and obviously the revised topics we have to must discuss. In this chapter, we have to take the addition of and subtraction of matrices. Here, I take the 2 by 2 matrix order. That is, if A, B, C, D is first matrix, E, F, G, H is second matrix, means first row and second column is there. Obviously, first row, first column, second column, first row, second row, first column, second column. Now we have to take the addition between these two matrices is given by the element allotted in a A11 position, A12, A21, A22 position, B11, B12, B21, B22. That means we have to take A plus E, same A plus F, no, B plus F, C plus G plus D plus H. If we have to take the subtraction between two matrices, we have to first check order of that matrix is same or not. That means A minus E, B minus F, C minus G and D minus H. That means if addition and subtraction is between different matrices, we have to take the coefficient that is allotted the entries A11, B11, A12, B12, A21, B21 and A22 and B22. Then we have to take the corresponding elements there. Now in this chapter, we have to discuss about the matrices multiplication. That is important. AB is allotted in a first row, CD is allotted in a second row, AC allotted in a column 1, BD allotted in column number 2, EF allotted in first row, GH allotted in second row, EG allotted in column number 1, FH allotted in column number 2. So, we have to multiply first row and first column, A into E plus B into G. That is AE plus BG. Now first row, second column of the second matrix. A into F, we write here, plus B into H, we write here. Now we completed the multiplication of the both the matrices. First row, we have to complete AE plus BG, AF plus BH. Now second row, first column, CE, I write here, D plus D into G, plus D into G. Now second row, second column, CF, C into F, plus D into H. So we completed the second row also. That is CE plus DG, CF plus DH. Now we have to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix if A is equal to ABCD. Then we have to take diagonal elements cross multiplication and subtraction between them. That is AD minus CB or BC. Does not matter about the position. So determinant of A, that is 2 by 2 matrix, is given by AD minus CB. Now we convert the given matrix is in a form of the determinant. Now we have to know adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix. If any matrix is given A is equal to ABCD, then adjoint of such ABCD matrix is given by, we have to interchange these diagonal element. Instead of A, we have to write D. Instead of D, we have to write A. And B and C diagonal element sign will be changed. That is B minus B, C minus C. So that is important for the adjoint of the matrix. Now we have to must know the transpose of 2 by 2 matrix also. We know that the transpose of 2 by 2 matrix is ABCD is given, then it is allotted as A, B first column and CD second column. That is called transpose. So now adjoint of the matrix is given by D minus B minus C and A. Now inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. That is best way. We have to must find A is equal to ABCD, that is the given matrix. Now A inverse is defined by 1 upon modulus of A into adjoint of A. Here adjoint is defined by D minus B minus C A. That is interchange of diagonal element and change of the sign of this diagonal element. Then our A inverse is equal to 1 upon AD minus BC. That is the determinant of A into D minus B minus C into A. So that is important topic we have to discuss. That is we take in today's lecture addition and subtracting of the matrices. Multiply the matrices row with column. Always remind that determinant of 2 by 2 matrix obviously that is AD minus CB. Adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix is always given by interchanging the diagonal element, first diagonal element, then change the sign of this side diagonal element, that is ABCD is the matrix, then D minus B minus C A. Inverse of 2 by 2 matrix is given by A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Normally determinant of A is 1 upon AD minus BC into D minus B minus C and A. Now matrix topic, obviously singular matrix means what? The determinant of A is 0 and non-singular matrix means determinant of A not equal to 0. Always remind that the matrix, if determinant is 0, A inverse does not exist. Then we have to solve the equation simultaneously, that is 2 by 2. All the trick is available for 3 by 3 matrix also. So we have to must know about the, in addition we have to take the position elements addition subtraction. In multiplication always first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. That is matrix, so ID minus BC determinant. Adjoint is the reverse the diagonal element, and then we have to take the change of the sign. Application of matrices, you can see more YouTube link http www.youtube.com. Watch this and the link I given here. So you have to must watch this link after this lecture immediately. Now I give the one of the application used in our diploma level, that is we have to discuss. Matrices in dimensional work. Always the matrices are used in 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional works. In a computer-based application, matrices play a virtual role in the projection of 3-dimensional image into 2-dimensional image screen, creating the realistic seeming motion. That is obviously the 3-dimensional are that is y-axis, it is obviously x-axis, and this one is z-axis. 2-dimension obviously it is what? It is in a pattern of x-axis, and this we have the pattern of the y-axis, and we have to 2-dimension. That means any image we have to see in this diagram, that is here is breadth and here is length. But if it is converted into 3D dimensional, we have to see the height, length and breadth. It is cube structure. So that's why matrices is applicable in our dimensional work for any images 2D to 3D. So that is application of matrices in real life. Application of matrices is also in a real life use. The use in a real life application is finance, science, manufacturing, optimizing, etc. to solve linear system of equation. In a last lecture, we have to take the system of equation, 2 variables, 3 equation and 3 variables, that we have to solve that system, and we derive the value of xy and xyz variables. That's most probably used, that is called linear system of equation. So these use in a real life application, finance, science, manufacturing, optimizing purpose. The Delta Airlines use linear programming based on the matrix computation to solve its flight schedule program. That is problem. The problem is to match aircraft to flight legs and fill the seat with paying passenger, thereby reducing the operating cost. That means airlines that is occur in a Delta Airlines use the linear programming, that is basis of the matrices, use in a base of the matrix computation to solve its flight schedule problem. That means the timing is different for each and every takeoff and landing. So that's problem also solved by the matrices. The problem is to match aircraft to flight legs and the flight seats with paying passenger, they are reducing the operating cost. That means you have to solve the problem by not waiting of these how timing is the flight and it is delay or not. It is solved by the application of matrices in real life by using linear programming, that is totally based on the linear system of equation of matrices. That is very useful application. Now we have to see the digital images. Obviously in a computer languages there is the photoshoppy, that is more related images which cover the this diagram. These are converted the images in a binary operation using matrices 110 010 001, and that is detailed image of the binary programming. That is means if any object is given, that image is converted, then it is normally converted by the binary operation, that are the matrices have the order, that is row and column, where row are infinite, that is entries are infinite, and column had infinite entry. Then we have to capture that images using our binary option operation only included the 1 0 that means our identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1, and also 3 by 3 order matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That is digital images we have to convert by using matrices with binary operation. That is more useful application. Now in a Hollywood movie you have to see the expectation is the matrix, that is the in this diagram we see the superheroes which have the more application and the values which improve are to be considered as a power of their brain. But reality is that we have to in a matrices we study about the A is 2 3 0 4 3 7 matrix, B is 5 7 6 4, that is A into B is not possible. Why? Because first row we have to multiply with first column, but 2 3 0 3 elements, here 5 6 only 2 elements. That is order of these matrix is 2 into 3, order of such matrix is 4 into 4. That's why multiplication of AB and BA is not possible, because the order is 2 by 3 into 3, 2 into 2 not possible, because 2 rows and 3 columns are there. We discuss in this further equation. So matrix is if any topic we have to unsolve is there, that is obviously used by your matrix, that is application of matrix is most probably involved in the imaging, that is animation part in Hollywood industry, as well as our cartoon, that is animation is most probably used. That's why I take this slide to introduce that we have to expect these matrix, but it in reality it is happen by the order of matrix is given in the real form of the entries. So, in today's lecture, we have to discuss about the application of matrices useful most probably in the form of our main thing is photo image, then our programming, then our calculation. So